guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title down below, it is fall, girl. Fall is almost here, and I am doing like a tutorial on my favorite fall go-to look. Like, don't I look bomb? I look bomb. Okay, but anyways, I'm so sorry about my hair. It's super early. It's 9 in the morning, and I just wanted to take my bonnet off. So with that being said, we're going to get right into this video. But first, I'm going to need you guys to subscribe because I have so many bomb videos coming out and you don't want to miss them. So subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it says, because you know you want to see more of me. But anyways, we're going to get right into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up and subscribe below. Okay. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm so sorry if I sound congested, but my allergies are like killing me right now, and it is also 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, the girl is also tired and she don't feel good, but I really wanted to record this video because it is that time of the year. Fall is near, so let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I love this palette. It's like all fall colors. It's thebomb.com, and let me take the name paper off. So this is what the palette looks like, and isn't this giving y'all fall vibes? Because I know it's giving me fall vibes. So this is the palette we'll be using today. So the first color I'll be using is this color right here, which is Orb, or ORB. And we're just going to take that and put it in our crease. Next, we're gonna take this color right here, which is Brick. It's like a orangish brown shade. We're gonna take that color, and we're just gonna take that below the crease that we just put in. Look a little crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. So now we're gonna add a little bit of neutral back into our eyes. I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here. I don't know if I'm pointing to the right one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's underneath it. This color right here, and this is Rich. We're gonna go in with Rich, which is this color right here, and we're gonna take a really defined brush. It's like a defined crease brush, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in between. I don't know how to really explain it, but just watch. Toast, which is this color right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This shade right here. This is Toast, and we're gonna put that on the outer corner of our eye. We're gonna take a where is it? A blending brush. We're just gonna blend all that out at the top. guys, I'm sorry my camera died on me, but I did my cut crease already, so that's the only thing I did off camera. And I went ahead with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and once again that small little brush here, which looks like that, and I just dipped it on the little applicator brush and formed my cut crease. So now we're gonna go in and apply the shadow on our lid, and the color I'm gonna go in with is called Polished, which is this pretty shimmery color right here. So it's called Polish, and we're going to go ahead and apply that on our lid, and we're just going to dab it in. And we're gonna blend in the ends so it blends in and don't have any harsh lines. Like I said, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Colorful Wink It Felt It eyeliner. It is a felt tip liquid liner. It's really pointy. And it's also waterproof, which is great. And we're just I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. I'm going to look in my mirror at the same time how I do this. It's so hard to do on camera. So now that our eyes are lined, yes honey, we is looking good for the fall. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, and I will be right back. It's a damp beauty blender already with water, but like I said, I just like to also spray with the Photo Finish Primer Water, which is by Smashbox, and it's supposed to be a set and refresh spray. So we're just gonna spray all around there with that, and I like to let it sit while I put my concealer on. So we're gonna go in with the, once again, Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tanned Sand. I'm so sorry. So I forgot to tell you guys that I went ahead and applied the Born This Way foundation in the color Butter Pecan, and I also applied my lashes off camera. So I'm so sorry I didn't record that part for you guys. Take that beauty blender, and we're going to use the tip, and we're just gonna blend that right on out. Y'all probably thinking like, Alexis, that looks like it's too much, it's too light. Girl, chill, because it's gonna all come together in a minute. It's all gonna come together. I'm gonna go ahead and set this concealer with the Maybelline Loose Face Powder in the color Light. And we're actually gonna take the back of our beauty blender here are nice and matte and flawless, and I don't really like to bake, but for today I should be okay. I'm actually gonna go in with a stippling brush that looks like this, and I like to take something close to my color. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Press Powder. Oh my god, that's a lot to say. That is such a full mouth to say. So this is what it looks like, and I am in the color Classic Tan. So it looks like that. And I like to just take the stippling brush and stipple in there. And I'm gonna use this bottom part, and I like to press that into the skin. For contouring, I like to go in with the Makeup Revolution. What is this? The Makeup Revolution foundation stick. So it looks like this, and then the packaging looks like this. You can find this at Ulta, and I like to go in. So it looks like that, and I am in the color F14, and I'm just gonna dab a little swatch there, as you can see, on the cheeks. And I like to go in with a contour flat brush, which looks like this, and I like to go in, so I go down first, and then I like to go in a circle motion. Like that. So I like to take the product down and then start circling it in, that way it's not too cut per se. So I just like to go in a circular motion, and then I like to take it up to the side and to my forehead. The face looks like one. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with our contour powder palette. It's the Studio Pro Contour Palette by BH Cosmetics. This is one of my faves. And I am going to take this color and that color. So we're just going to mix the two. And we're going to set our contour. And I like to take my foundation brush, and I just like to blend out any harsh lines underneath. I'm probably contouring definitely on the top of my head, so it will look like we have a U shape. The last step I like to use before applying my lipstick is I like to go in with a setting spray. I like to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is like one of my favorites. We're gonna go ahead and oh, this feels so good, especially after adding so many powders to your face. And so you guys get this look, child. So I know a lot of people like to put the highlighter on before they set their face, but my face sometimes can get super dry, especially after adding so many powders. So I like to go in with my highlighter last. And I went in with the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the color 200 Molten Gold. So what I was basically doing here was adding more shadow to my bottom lash line to smoke it out a little bit, and I also went in with my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara to define my bottom lashes as well. Alrighty, so the last step is our lips. Now in fall, I am always wearing, if it's not like a burgundy-ish lip color, I try to go for like the chocolate brown. So I picked up the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color Rich Chocolate, which looks like this. Oh, it looks burgundy, but whatever. So then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline lipstick in Chocoholic number 785. And the color looks like this. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I go ahead and apply the lipstick onto our lips. Y'all, we looking real fall over here. Okay, so after I apply that, I'm gonna put Praline by e.l.f. It's a liquid matte lipstick, and I love e.l.f. liquid matte lipsticks. And I'm just gonna put this in the middle of our lips, just like that. And y'all, this completes my fall makeup look. It is gorgeous. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, please leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, sis, because I got a lot of bomb videos coming out and you don't want to miss them. So as always, you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.